Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now, after the new border controls, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the changes to the gradient controls in Cadence Blocks 3.0. And to show you this change, what I have done is I have added the advanced button block in both Cadence 3.0, which is this one, and in Cadence 2.0, which is this one. Right now, for the gradient controls, what I can do is I can select this button block, go under the button block settings basically, and here under the color settings you will see the background type. Solid is selected by default, you will have to select gradient. Then it will allow you to select color one, you can select it. I'll select a red here, and then I can select a color 2, which I will select a blue here. Now the next thing is the location, so you can select what color do you want more. Do you want red or blue? Then you can select a gradient type. You can change the angle from right here if you have selected radially, if you have selected linear basically. If you have selected radial, then you can select the position, right? So these gradient controls are pretty easy to use, but these controls are very different from the gradient controls that come in the default or that come in the basically not the default, the native WordPress blocks, right? We were talking about the differences of settings a minute ago while we were discussing the border controls, that it can cause a bit of confusion if you have different settings in the blocks plugin that you are using and in the native WordPress blocks. So to bridge that gap, what Cadence has done is it has updated its gradient controls to the gradient controls that you see in the native WordPress blocks. Now to see this change, let's head over to Cadence Blocks 3.0. So you have the button block right here. So let's just select this button, go under style, and here you can see the gradient control, right? Pretty similar, pretty simple, right? So you can see this gradient control is pretty similar to the gradient control that you get in the native WordPress block. So there is a paragraph block right here, and let's just click this, and you can see, right? Very similar and very similar, right? So in order to make changes now, in case you want to select basically two different colors, so what you will have to do is you will have to click here and it will open the color picker. Right now you can select a color, picking the second color, select this one, you can choose, or you can move it right like this and select another color. Then you can change the type, linear and radial, you can select right here. Shape comes when you select the radial, right? Then you can basically change the position as well. Then comes the linear, and you can set an angle right here using this, or you can type in here as well. So that is up to you. Now you can see these controls are very similar to what you see here. So again, under the background, you can see these colors are these controls are very similar to what you get. So if I select radial here, you get this, and so are the changes here, right? So just to bridge that gap, the gradient controls UI has been changed in Cadence Blocks 3.0. This will make you more familiar with the settings that you find in the blocks in the blocks that come with that basically come in the Cadence Blocks plugin. So that is the basic purpose of introducing this change. Okay, so again, give it a try. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.